Have you ever felt like buying your dream property is slipping further and further away, no matter how hard you save? Inflation, skyrocketing real estate prices, and outdated investment strategies might be sabotaging your plans, but what if there was a way to turn the tables? What if you could stay ahead of inflation and turn real estate into a wealth-building machine? Stick with me, because in this video, I am revealing the ultimate strategy to outsmart inflation, land banking. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of real estate investments and how land banking can completely transform your financial game. Whether you are an aspiring investor or just looking for a smarter way to grow your money, this is the video you have been waiting for. Let's get started. 1. The flawed savings mentality. Let's talk about the traditional way most people approach buying property, saving. Imagine you decide to save 2 million naira every month for 5 years to buy a house worth 120 million naira. Sounds solid, right? But here is the harsh truth. By the time you have saved enough, that same house will probably cost 150 million naira or even more. Inflation and rising property values aren't just moving the goalposts, they are putting the whole game out of reach. 2. The common trap. The same problem happens when you try to save smaller amounts. Say you are setting aside 200,000 naira a month to buy a plot of land. By the time you have saved 50 million naira, the land you had your eye on now costs 70 million naira. Frustrating, isn't it? It's like running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. So, what is the solution? 3. The smarter strategy, land banking. Here is what financially savvy investors do. Instead of just saving, they invest strategically. This is where land banking comes in. Imagine taking that same 2 million naira you would save each month and buying one plot of land in an emerging area. Over 5 years, you would own 60 plots, each purchased at today's price. Sounds exciting? Let's break it down further. 4. The payoff of land banking. Now, here is the magic of land banking. After 5 years, property values in those emerging locations would likely have appreciated significantly. Say you sell 55 of your plots for an average of 4 million naira each. That is 220 million naira in total sales. With that, you can now buy a premium property worth 200 million naira in a prime area, keep 5 remaining plots valued at 20 million naira, and still have 20 million naira in cash. 5. Why land banking works. So why does land banking work so well? Here are the key reasons. Real estate appreciates faster than inflation. Land, especially in emerging areas, tends to gain value over time, outpacing inflation. It's a long-term strategy. Land isn't a quick flip asset. It's a wealth-building tool that rewards patience and smart planning. Partner with reliable experts. By working with trusted real estate companies, you can minimize risks and maximize returns. Focus on growth potential. Always look for areas with infrastructure development, growing populations, and other signs of economic growth. Ready to get started? Here are 3 actionable steps you can take today. 1. Research emerging locations in your area and identify plots with high growth potential. 2. Consult a reputable real estate company or advisor to guide your investment decisions. 3. Start small but stay consistent. Remember, it is the compounding growth over time that makes land banking so powerful. At Fahtel Properties, we specialize in helping investors like you make the most of strategies like land banking. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, secure your financial future, or simply make smarter decisions with your money, we are here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to rethink your approach to real estate? Contact us at Fahtel Properties today, and let's start building your wealth together. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more actionable tips on real estate and investing. Here is something to think about. If you could own land in any emerging location today, where would you invest? Drop your answers in the comments below, we would love to hear your thoughts.